Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing good. In this video, we will look into how to get a Python course and a certification for free. So, as a prerequisite of this video, you should have a Kaggle account. Now, if you don't have a Kaggle account, you can make one by watching a step-by-step tutorial of mine, which you can find on my channel. And if you have a Kaggle account, let's just jump onto your profile. Now from here go to the left sidebar, and from this go to the learn section. Here you will find bunch of courses. You should go into the Python one. Such interface will be here. Now there are two types of notebooks here, one tutorial one and other the exercise one. Let's just go into the first section, the learn hello Python part, and go to tutorial notebook. Now this is a very good practical course in which you will practice things alongside. These are created by experts of the fields and you will find these pretty good. Now when you will complete this notebook, you will have a pop-up here to practice what you have learned into the exercise part. Now completing these exercises are necessary to get that certificate. You can also access this exercise notebook from here. Let's just wait until load up. Now you will have to read all this and run these notebooks like this. Now these are the questions they will ask. For example, in the first question they asked to create a variable called color with your favorite color or the color blue. I think they were asking for the color blue, and when you will run this notebook, they will check whether your answer is correct or not, and an output will be here like this green one. Now if you don't know the answer, you can also go to the hint. You can also see hints and the solutions. I will not advise you to just quickly go through these notebooks and questions by just watching the solutions, since it will not help you to learn Python. It will just help you to get that certificate, which will not be helpful if you don't know how to use the language. Now after completing this notebook, you can go to the next tutorial notebook from here, and after completing all these, you will get a certificate like this. Let me show you from here. You will get such a certificate from here. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will also advise you to check the other courses and have some fun and some certificates alongside. So this was the video. Hit the sub button. Laser out.